Start. Already it has been started.
Yeah, of course.
Of course.
Only
Assalamu alaikum. Hello guys. Hope you are well. Alhamdulillah, I am also well. At first we have come here to observe this place. As you can see that it is just a playground. It is situated in Kumarkhali at, maybe what can I say? What is the location of it? Tell something.
Kumarkhali at Sporting at in Kumarkhali at Sporting Club Mall.
Sporting club. As you can see that there are some people, they have come here to spend their time by playing, and as you can see that some boys are playing football and some boys are playing cricket. Also both sports are very popular in our country, and now we are spending our time. Actually, we have come here so that we can make many different kinds of video and including environment in our video about this student, about these children. Actually, hello guys, you can see that there are many students already. They have come here to spend their time, and already they are playing at a kinds of game. Its name is football. তো কি অনুভব করো? ভালো খেলা, কি মজা? হ্যাঁ, they are telling that they are very enjoying playing by this game, and we are spending our time making a video. However, it is our passion that we will make many different kinds of video at this moment. And another thing that at this moment a student is staying with me. Now I will ask some question to him. His name is Abir Hussain. Abir Hussain, are you ready to answer this question?
Of course, obviously you can ask me any question. So I'm ready.
So at first you tell about yourself.
So I'm Abir. I'm in class 9. I study in Kumarkhali MN Pilot High School. So at this moment we are making a video, and now we are very excited because we are making video. It is our first time and it is a new video. So not only you but also I am very excited because it is common things. We will be excited.
Actually, what do you think about our activity? That it is right or wrong?
Actually, it is absolutely right.
Absolutely right.
Yeah, of course, obviously.
What do you think about practicing? Tell something about practicing, that it is
Actually,
really good for progress our.
If any person is speaking English and if any person want to be a fluent speaker, so he should practice more and more because practice makes man perfect.
Yes, obviously, so there is no doubt that practice makes a man perfect.
Any person don't practice, so he will not develop his speaking English. So I say to you that I say to you and my teacher that any person do not practice more and more, say he will not be able to speak in English. So also we are trying speaking English. So please pray for me and my teacher.
Yes, obviously. Thank you very much to my student that he has already told many different kinds of things about our practicing. Hello guys. However, we will not longer our video. See you again another time. Yeah. Stay safe, stay well. We will meet with another video with you. Inshallah. Wa ma tawfiq illa billah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.